Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 GLC 43 AMG Coupe. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the Amg Night Package, which is going to give you a front black splitter, black side mirror covers, black rear diffuser. For wheels, we've got 21-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the fender. Cranberry red with black leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, rear spoiler. AMG badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. On the side here we've got a blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, dark wood trim, heated seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. Also included is the multimedia package with navigation and voice command. Parking assistance package with the surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad, and wheel for infotainment center. This one does come with the AMG exhaust. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. We've got Eco, Comfort, Sports Plus. Suspension settings. This GLC 43 AMG Coupe has 19,289 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.